Hi, Year 10. So we're going to carry on with our lessons exploring A Christmas Carol. We're going to look at the end of Stage 1 today. But to start with, we're going to focus on recall so you can feel a little bit more comfortable about your learning and pull on your prior learning. So see if you can answer these questions based on your prior learning. Don't forget you've got this information in your books already. So if you're getting a bit stuck, flick back through. Pause this video to complete this task. Okay, so just a little overview of what we're doing today. We're still looking at Christmas Carol, obviously. We're looking at Stage 1, we're just looking at the end of it. And we're going to start looking at the supernatural. So I'd like you to, today we're going to read, test our understanding of the rest of Stage 1. So we can begin exploring one of the key themes, which is the theme of supernatural. And I want you to feel confident identifying and exploring this theme within Stage 1. So I'd like you to begin reading. Can you read pages 1 to 23 of A Christmas Carol and carry on with your glossary that you've started making? Don't worry about every single word because there will be a lot. Maybe just pick about 10 again. If you'd rather listen to the audio book, again, I've put the link in the description at the top. But little bit of a heads up, you want to skip to 16 minutes 11 seconds, and this will take you to the paragraph that starts at length the hour. This is on the very bottom of page 10, so it will take you nicely into page 11. Pause the video to complete this task. Alright, series of images on the board. I want you to chronologically order these images as they happen in Stage 1 from page 11 onwards and write a short description by each letter. So chronologically, the time order in which they actually happen. And for the short description, I'm looking for a sentence, maybe 1 or 2 sentences, but I don't want you to spend forever on this. So put down a letter, quick description. Pause the video to complete this task. Alright, double checking your understanding. You don't need the same writing down as I have, but I want you to make sure you've got them in the right order. Double check you understand what's happening here. So just read through, give yours a tick, or maybe check your spelling. So there's these 3. You've got the next 2, and these are the final ones. Okay, so by now you've got an understanding of what actually happens, and now we're going to explore the supernatural elements. And you've already seen some of those within the images just shown and what you've already read. So your task is to skim read the page you just read. So this is reading quickly, and underline in pencil or highlight all of the supernatural elements. I've given you what supernatural means here because I realise we keep going on about supernatural and I haven't told you what it means yet. So it's anything that's beyond what is natural, unexplainable by natural law or phenomenon or abnormal. So I know some of the girls watch a lot of supernatural programs to deal with vampires or witches or werewolves. You're not going to see anything like this in A Christmas Carol, but you will see ghosts and there is time travel. So you're looking for that elements of supernatural. So pause the video to complete this task. Alright, so a deeper understanding here. So I want you to have a go at answering these questions in full sentences in your exercise books. This is your last task, so take your time and make sure you really understand it. So you're going through, I've given you an idea of what page you're looking at. They're all in chronological order again. So you're going to start from you can start from page 15 because that's the first question, and you're just working through to the end of Stage 1. Questions get a little bit harder as you get down, so a little bit more of a challenge, but I reckon you'll smash this because you've been doing some fantastic work for me so far. So pause the video and complete this task. As always, I'd love to see what you've been getting on with at home, so attach a photo of your work to class charts. Just send me one because we'll go through the answers to these in class, but I still like to see your thoughts and know that you're getting on with the work. Good luck, Year 10.